Hello, we're here with Torita, technical representative of Clear Essence Cosmetics USA. When and why was the Clear Essence skincare system created?
Clear Essence was started in the early 1980s. We noticed a missing gap in the skincare industry, and our goal was to assure that that gap was properly filled.
Beautiful facility. What goes on in here?
What we do here at Clear Essence is quite involved. We do from receiving of materials that go into our finished product to selling of our own finished goods. We do graphics here. We do, as you can see in this lab, testing extensively. We assure that in meetings that we're meeting where the trend of the industry is going. Clear Essence is more than just what you see here. It's things that you don't see as well. We're very involved.
You have an FDA license. Why is that important?
An FDA license is something you actually earn because there are stringent requirements that you must meet to get it. We've gone the extra mile to do what they require, and we're very proud that we've done so. We assure that our customers get only the finest quality.
Why is it important for your company to create new treatments for people of darker skin color?
We continually make new skin treatments because we recognize the changing world and that skin does not stay the same. We recognize that we have to stay abreast and on top of the changes that we can meet the needs of the industry.
How do you utilize the latest advances in science and technology when developing new products?
We utilize the advances in science and technology by incorporating it into our newer products and by improving our existing. We make sure that we take it so that it provides for our customers a better product that lasts longer for them, it does more for their skin, and in the end, we meet the need that they're after.
How do you assure the highest quality and safety of the products you produce in this facility?
We assure our quality here within this facility by major testing, major training, and by what we call a check and balance system. We train on a regular schedule. We have what's called a check system whereby if one person was doing the testing, a second would come behind that person to assure that the testing which was carried out was done in a correct manner. We do this because of our FDA license, because of our goal to make a quality product.
You're based in the USA. How are you able to support and educate your customers in various parts of the world?
We rely on the training that we do with our distributors outside of the US. Not only do we train our distributors, we do on-site training of whomever else they would like to involve. We distribute posters, we distribute educational materials, samples. We go the extra mile to make sure that our users are educated with what it is they're using.
What should we expect from Clear Essence in the year to come?
In one word, I would say excellence. Clear Essence is not only about excellence, we're about quality, we're about our customer. We strive very hard to make sure that what we sell is what the customer is expecting. Our goal is total satisfaction.
Thank you, Torita.
Thank you, and we appreciate you stopping by.